Hello, my name is Prinjal and I have done the course for Python and Django here in myTectra, and it was a very good experience. Django and Python has been taught very well here, and we worked on a real-time project on Django that helped me to understand the basics very well, and they also helped me to get a job in a company, and I really recommend joining myTectra for Python and Django. And thank you, myTectra.